In a quiet, deep corner of the jungle lived a little bat named Rango. But Rango wasn't just any ordinary bat. She had super hearing, so sharp that she could hear the flutter of a butterfly's wings, the whispers of worms under the soil, and even the secrets hiding in hearts. The animals of the jungle were both amazed and annoyed by her talent. Rango loved to eavesdrop. She would hang upside down above others and listen to their private talks. And not just that. The very next day, she would tell everyone what she heard. Gudu the donkey ate sweets in secret last night. Parrot Tito doesn't like his own feathers. Auntie Cuckoo gossips about everyone behind their backs. At first, everyone laughed. It was fun. But soon, things changed. The animals started avoiding Rango. They were tired of having no privacy. Even her best friend Gudu, a kind-hearted donkey, once said, "Rango, you listen too much. You're making the jungle too noisy with secrets." But Rango didn't stop. In fact, she felt proud of her power. She believed it was her right to hear and share the truth. Then one night, something strange happened. A sleek, mysterious cat named Calabilla started being overly friendly with all the animals. But Rango, with her glowing ears, overheard Calabilla speaking secretly to someone under a tree. "Turn them all against each other. Then I'll become the queen of the jungle." Rango was shocked. She rushed to tell Gudu, Tito, and others, but no one believed her. "Rango always says such things. It's probably another one of her stories," they said. Rango felt hurt. She never thought people would stop trusting her completely. She sat silently with Gudu and whispered, "Even when I tell the truth, no one believes me anymore. What do I do now?" Gudu had an idea. He built a tiny bamboo recorder, a clever little device that could capture the sounds Rango heard. They tied it to her ears like a cute little gadget. The next night, Rango flew silently to the same tree. She waited, and once again, Calabilla whispered her evil plans. But this time, Rango had proof. The next morning, she called a jungle meeting. All the animals gathered in a big circle. Rango stood in the center and said, "I will speak just once. If you still don't believe me, I'll leave this jungle forever." She played the recording. Calabilla's voice echoed clearly. Her schemes, her tricks, her plan to take over. The whole jungle went quiet. Then Tito the parrot clapped. Gudu hugged her tight. And the wise old eagle, Baba Baz, stepped forward and said, "Rango, not everyone has ears like yours. But you have the courage to speak the truth when others stay silent. That's rare and special." Ka'alabilla was banished from the jungle. Rango became the new hero of the forest. But Rango made a decision. She gently wrapped a soft cloth around her glowing ears. When Gudu asked, "What are you doing now?" Rango smiled and replied, "I'll only listen to what's truly important." Hearing everything doesn't build friendships. Understanding does. From now on, I'll listen with my heart. And from that day on, Rango became the wisest and most beloved bat in the entire jungle. Not because she could hear everything, but because she had learned what truly matters. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.